I'll show you how you can connect Nova to BullX. First off, you want to search up tradenova.io and you want to click on this second link, Nova Click. Now on Nova Click, you want to go back to the home page here. And then on here, you want to click on Setting Up. Now on Setting Up, you want to just wait for it to load. And then on here, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on Access Nova Telegram Bot. Click on that. Now on here, click on Open Telegram Desktop. Now on here, you can go ahead and go to the menu here and then you can click on Start. Now on Start here, you'll see that there's a couple of menu here. Now the one you want to click on is Wallet. Now on Wallets here, you want to click on Write a Message here. And then you want to click on Import Wallet, right? Click on Import Wallet and you want to click on whatever you want to name this wallet. So it'll be BullX, right? BullX. And then you'll have to enter in the private key of your wallet. Now for security reasons, I will not show you how to do this because private keys are fairly sensitive information. Now, once you enter in the private key, you'll be able to connect your BullX to your Nova and then you'll just have to click on Change Default Wallet. Now, there's a couple last steps you need to do. When you go back to menu, you want to click on Nova Click. And then you want to make sure that there is an image that says user panel is on. Like there will be a green circle there and you want to make sure that's on. And then that's it. You're done.